Air source heat pump dryer. This is the air source heat pump dryer we produced. Installation. The box boards are made of polyurethane foam plates with a thickness of 10 cm, which ensures heat preservation. Moreover, they are easy to be installed. Install partition plates to facilitate better circulation of hot air. Install the fan. The motor is efficient, energy-saving, and environmental friendly. It provides heat, and it is the heat source of the dryer. The dryer can be customized based on the demand of different output and source materials. Install the thermal insulation door. Run the machine. That's how the machine is installed. If you are interested in it, please contact us for more information.